can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be trying to go for Supreme Spring Summer 2020 week 2, and honestly bro, I was at work when the drop happened, so I kind of had to trim it down a little bit because you know that on the Supreme website there's mad dead space. So what I decided to do is edit the screen recording down so that I could just react to it here. Once again, I do apologize because I can't do the actual live cop, but at least I tried my best, and that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to cover this and get straight up out the building. If you're doing up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So as you guys can see right here, I'm on shirts. I'm basically just waiting for the drop to happen. It's already 11, so it did drop a little bit on the later side. Right here at this point it actually dropped. Boom, I clicked this rayon shirt because I felt like it would sell out before the Air Force Ones. I don't know what gave me the impression of that, but that's just what I thought. So I went ahead, added that to my cart. I go straight to the Air Force Ones after that, and I open the incense and the lock as well. I was gonna try to big boss like handle this shit all in one cart, which was not the smartest move, but I did manage to add like 4 things to my cart. And when I clicked checkout, the fucking checkout shit wasn't even there. Like the cart wasn't popping up. It had like these 2 little brackets, which basically means that the Supreme website crashed, like it was dead. So at this point it actually let me go to the cart. I clicked checkout, it wasn't working, so I went back and added the lock. Then every time I clicked checkout after that for like 2 minutes straight, it just kept giving me those 2 little brackets with no checkout, like no button, none of that. So I'm just right here trying to finesse my way through it. I look at the jacket, shit is still there. I open a tab that had the shoes in it. At this point I decided to open Safari because I felt like maybe Google Chrome was having the problem. It happens to be that that was not the case. So right here I'm back on Chrome again trying to check out, and as you can see, shop is literally grayed out. I can't even go into the shop, which is literally nuts, bro. Like I don't know, I haven't seen this shit happen before. So I'm over here trying to click the checkout button, and this time I believe was when I got through. I'm like, yo, put this shit in real quick because I had the feeling shit was gonna sell out on me. I would have been sick. So boom, I enter my information, change what I have to change around a little bit. I click accept, and right there I click process payment. Once that happens, I believe this is when I actually managed to get through on a couple items. At this point it's saying please wait. I'm having the anxiety when it comes to Supreme. This is like 3 minutes in as well, so I knew that at this point if I didn't cook up, I'm pretty much fucked. And I managed to cook up on the rayon shirt, the lock, and the incense. I'm like, yo, it's all dandy and shit, but I need the forces. Fuck everything else. I just wanted the forces at this point. So I go back to them, I add it to cart, and shit is sold out, bro. I am sour milk at this point. It's just not going through. So for the next couple minutes, literally, I'm just trying to get these forces in my cart. I'm trying to see if the checkout button is even still working because it was giving me troubles. I checked if the underlying crew neck was sold out or not because my girl wanted to buy that shit, and I just wanted to see if she got through. The lock was still there, the incense were still there. I was just sick, bro. I wanted them shoes and I didn't manage to get it, which was really annoying. At this point, like 3 to 4 minutes in, the only thing that was sold out was the black rayon shirt. The jacket was still there in both colors, and the rayon shirt was there in purple, but everything else was sold out that I was interested in. I was sick, bro. I decided to go for the rayon shirt because they are gonna restock on the Air Force Ones. That's why I'm not too pressed for it, but if they do get to a decent price like 120, 130, I might just have to pull the bullet on that. What? I might just have to bite the bullet on that. That does it for the screen recording I have for you guys, and that does it for the live cop portion. But I actually did receive a package from Sworn to Us. They blessed the boy with this box right here. I felt like since this video is gonna be super short, I might as well just add some more content for you guys. I feel like their brand is fire, and some of these pieces you guys should definitely go ahead and check out. So I'm gonna open this up, but if you did enjoy the live cop, make sure you smash a like. Let me know what you cooked up down below. So I'm not gonna lie, I did already open this because honestly I went on vacation and I took some of these pieces with me. Right here we did have the little packaging, and then we have a little card that says Astro. Hope you enjoy the new gear. Keep up the great content. If you need anything, just reach out. Shout out to Jerry for sending out this package. The first piece piece that I have for you guys today is this tee right here. It has like this flower on it and it says Sworn Growth. It's like in this washed gray color, which honestly I'm a huge fan of. It doesn't have anything on the back, but as you can see, they even have their own tags. We got this tag right here that says Sworn to Us as well, but there's so many pieces that I'm gonna kind of have to rush through it. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna link them at the top of the description for you guys. But this right here is one of my favorite pieces. They sent me this, which is kind of like this futuristic vibe. It's like a white, gray, and orange tee. This is so clean, bro. I don't know what it says, but then on the back you have this staff with 2 hashes on it. I feel like this is so clean. Next up, we do have these shorts, which are actually clean. These are some Champion shorts with their branding on it. It says Sworn to Us on it with like a dove, if I'm not mistaken. Then you got the Champion. Definitely some cozy ass shorts. You can wear these out on a summer night. You can wear these shits on a day-to-day basis. These gonna be like my everyday shorts. I actually really am a fan of these. We have another one of my favorites. I actually am a huge fan of this long sleeve because it has print on the front and the back. You guys know I'm a sucker for that shit. Right here we have some stuff on the front. As you can see, we're hustlers by nature, motivators by choice. We're proof that you don't have to stick to the traditional mold to achieve your goals. I never even read that shit until just now. Then on the back you have this, and on the sleeves you have more shit. This is definitely my favorite piece. Next up we have this Sworn to Us hoodie right here in like this blue tie-dye kind of, but it's not really tie-dye. This shit is hard. They have some fire shit over there. Not gonna lie, I definitely would recommend it. You have their 2 hashes on the back, then you have the Sworn to Us real simple on the front. Huge fan of this piece right here. We got one more piece, then we're straight up out the building. It's this, I guess, bullshit tee. It's like in camo. What I like about their brand is that they have shit on the front, then they have stuff on the back as well. Yo, I was not expecting this. Definitely link them at the top of the description for you guys. A lot of fire coming from them. Major shout out to Sworn to Us for sending that little care package to me. I definitely do appreciate you guys and would love to work with you guys in the future. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you did enjoy, leave a like on this video. Comment your favorite piece from Sworn to Us. What did you cook up from Supreme as well? Let me know if you enjoyed this video by slapping that like button. Let's see if we could get it to 200 likes. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.